Had John in here like basically all weekend doing the body work, which he made some pretty good progress. Long ways to go, but pretty good progress nevertheless. It's that one body line, and then he can start making fine tuning it, and then it'll be you know, just make the front match. Rob should be back in later, so he'll finish stripping out the old car, and at that point, like, it's tear apart the remaining pieces and put them on this car. Right now, technically the 240 is a very expensive motor stand. So as soon as the motor mounts show up, I'm gonna pull it out and start test fitting it. He's basically got all the wiring out of it. The only thing that's really on it is the suspension right now, just so we can roll it around. Because when the motor mounts show up, this one's gonna go on to the lift, and then we'll get that one out of there. That way, you know, better use of space. You gotta use what you got. So. It passed the level test. Now it has to pass the eyeball test. Sometimes when you make something level and you realize the world isn't level, you gotta tweak it a little bit to get it to line back up. Same goes for being center. It's like, just because you measure out where you want to be doesn't mean you actually feel right being there.